Hi, good morning. Welcome to Transforming Stories.
What's up, Grandma?
Thinking to plant a tree.
Not bad idea. I join you. My tree grows stronger than yours.
Let's see.
I take care of my tree very well.
Hmm. What are you doing?
Fertilizing my plant. Won't you?
Too much attention and pampering isn't needed. Allow it to grow naturally, facing regular struggle.
Grandma, these trees have grown quickly.
Yeah. One day there was a heavy storm.
Oh no, my tree fell down. I was technically correct. I gave more attention and care. But why?
We didn't allow the tree to organically deal with struggle given by natural and material elements. The experience of struggle on regular basis is important for resilience, growth, and protection. What do you learn?
Of course, regular struggle is important for resilience, growth, and protection, not only for trees but also for us.
That's right. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get latest updates. Thank you.